In this session, let us understand what is bridge finance. Let's say your company has taken up a big project and it has approached a financial institution for a long-term loan, and that loan has also been sanctioned. But that financial institution is taking time for finalizing its procedures, let's say related to security creation, tying up with other institutions and so on. And here, if you notice, the loans are approved in principle or say sanctioned, but what has come in between is the processing time. But let's say your company cannot afford to lose further time in starting the project. Okay, at this juncture, we can say bridge finance will help your company. So let's understand what is bridge finance. It's a loan taken by business units, usually from commercial bank, for a shorter period, and these loans are normally taken when term loans are sanctioned but pending disbursement. Okay, here we may have a question: how this loan will be repaid? Understand, this is a temporary loan and generally it will be repaid out of proceeds of the principal term loan sanctioned by that financial institution. Okay, and these loans, bridge loans, will be generally secured by hypothecation of movable assets, then personal guarantees and demand promissory notes. And if you look at the interest rates, it will be slightly higher when compared with normal term loans.